Are you a bit stoned right now? You are? Yeah, I thought so. Hello.
Hey,
How are you?
good.
Good. You look cool. Are you a bit stoned right now?
Yeah, really.
You are?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so. You got the yeah, and you've got like flowers in your hair, so yeah,
Yeah.
you're just enjoying that zone.
You?
I'm not stoned, but
Oh.
my name is James. I'm a previous stoner, so I don't judge at all. Yeah,
Sorry. Okay, I stop.
yeah.
I'm just really in flow but I'm open for you. Sorry.
Good, good. What's your name? I'm James.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Yeah,
Hi, James.
yeah.
From where?
Australia.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. You're a Hungarian?
And what brings you here?
I live here. I've been here for some years now.
Hmm.
Yeah, I run a business here. My
What
gra-
business?
it's a life coaching business.
Okay.
Meditation,
Oh,
tantra.
we need a lot.
We do need a lot.
Yeah.
Yes. Do you meditate? You are meditating right now.
Yeah.
What's with the
I
is
wish.
you wish? Is this a Easter thing?
Actually, maybe that inspired me,
Yeah.
but my main intention was just to get some holiness to myself
I
because
see.
some days ago I had a big fight with some of my love.
Uh,
So now I wanna get back to the state of peace.
I
So
see. Right.
this is for me to arrive to myself, and now I wanna go somewhere in the nature.
Well, then you.
I'm just coming from the Madach square, you know.
Yes, I was there. There was some like it's a political thing, right?
Yeah, but mostly celebrating marijuana. But some weeks ago or something like that, do you know the actual political stories?
Do I know Hungarian politics?
Yeah, like
Yes, I know. I know
they
Hungarian
made
politics.
a really strict rule some weeks ago. Even if you just have like half gram of
Yeah.
something, they can bring you to the police station and keep you there.
And send you to rehab, I heard, right?
Yeah, and probably they want money from you also.
I'm sure. And I can
So-
imagine Hungarian rehab is not fun. Doesn't matter.
well, challenging, maybe more challenging. I don't know how it's going in Australia. I was living in the Netherlands, and of course, that part of the life was more free.
Yes,
But
the
some
Netherlands
other
is.
part, not, because I don't know. My roots come from this soil, so I felt I have to come back to live in my culture, and now I feel more free in this side.
You feel more free in Hungary than you did in the Netherlands.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah,
You would be the first person to say that.
yeah, I know, but
So you're.
I had homesick. Don't you?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's true. I do get homesick for people, for my family, let's say.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like it kind of doesn't matter where you're from. You always feel like you want to go back at some point. But now I feel like I'm European. Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. Yeah. My grandmother was a Hungarian lady, so I have some. Part of my blood is Hungarian.
Ah.
Yeah.
And do you know the language?
No, it's very difficult. I did try for some time and I gave up. I don't really know any foreigners who've managed to master Hungarian.
I'm still struggling with Spanish and German also, so I
Yes.
can imagine the Hungarian is.
Yeah, well, in Australia we don't really learn languages, which is not good. So we haven't created the pathways internally.
What?
We have not created the neural pathways in our brain to do it.
I don't get this, sorry.
Doesn't matter.
But please explain me, I'm curious.
Ah, okay. So in Australia, in European countries, everybody learns a second or third language. It's common. In Australia, they don't do that. So in school,
Interesting.
yeah, because everyone speaks English, I guess. So we don't learn it. So it's not a habit that we are in.
Okay, interesting actually.
I think it's not good, but it is what it is.
Well, um,
So your plan is to go over the bridge and go up to the mountain?
yeah, do you wanna walk with me?
I can walk a little bit. I have to go back to my friend soon, but I'll walk with you for a few minutes.
Cool. Okay, let's enjoy.
Yeah, let's enjoy. Sorry, your name again was?
James.
Yeah, and you're stoned and you remember it, so that's pretty good. And what do you like doing in life? What's something you're interested in?
You catch. You catch it. I was
Aside
just,
from
I
being
was
high.
just thinking about this.
Oh, you were thinking about
What
this.
should I do?
What do you mean?
Next step.
Oh, you mean in your life? Okay. Any ideas?
Too much.
Too many ideas? For example?
Well, I'm a bit suspicious about this. I feel I have an interesting way to learn about this unconditional love.
Okay.
Hopefully, this brings me somewhere, or I bring myself somewhere.
Okay, so you mean if you connect to unconditional love, you feel like that will give you some direction in life? Something like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it certainly will help for sure. Yeah. Although unconditional love, that's quite. Do you think that exists really?
Do you think?
I think there's always some kind of conditions. I mean, maybe there's certain people who are kind of saints who maybe that's like that, but I think mostly, humans are humans and we have agendas and things we want and things.
Yeah.
Even if you're giving, are you really giving?
Like imagine, could you love someone who kills someone in front of you?
Nope.
Yeah. You are.
No, I could not. And I don't think I want to. Yeah, I'll leave that up to the Buddha and the saints. Yeah. But I think you could certainly get somewhere closer where you have a generalized love for people. I love people. I think they're awesome and they're all trying to, survive and figure it out. So you had
Yeah. Thank you.
for what?
You say you love people, and I like to hear it.
Oh, yeah.
Hear this.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I mean, not everyone all the time, but yeah. In general, I'm a humanist, you would say. Are you an artistic person?
That brings me joy.
Yeah.
But to work in this structure of, the matrix,
In the Matrix, yes.
matrix, this still makes me nervous.
Yeah, it's not difficult. It's difficult to escape, for sure. I think I'm pretty close to escaped.
Wow. I wish you.
Yeah, well, I never worked for anybody else, and I always did the things that I wanted to do, and luckily it worked.
Nice.
Yeah. I think if you can't escape it, you can learn to work in the cracks and surf the matrix. You can use it to your advantage.
Yeah, you mean like injecting out the money?
Well, that helps, yeah. Yes, it's good to inject out the money because then you can have freedom. But yeah, to find ways to work around the system or use the system to your advantage instead of being crushed by it. It's not easy and not everyone can do it, I don't think, but it is possible for some.
What did you say? What is your business?
I said I teach Tantra and meditation and life coaching. Yeah. You know what Tantra is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I imagine this is a path to get here.
Mm-hmm.
And at the beginning, how do you keep yourself in the structure?
Sorry, say that again.
How could you keep yourself?
How did I survive in the structure?
Yeah.
I was a massage therapist before that, and then played music. I was a hippie, so I just lived cheaply, and yeah, I just managed to find ways to survive.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
and
from the Canarian Islands. I came back.
from the Canary Islands.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So I'm actually in this phase of my life to find out again what to do here.
Yeah. Okay, I understand. Well, maybe you'll get some inspiration sitting on the hill over there.
Yeah.
So, I would love to go for a walk with you in the nature, but I actually have to go and visit my friends now.
Don't worry about it because I need some self-time anyway.
Yes, yes.
But I'm really happy you was my mate for this short brief and meeting.
It was beautiful.
Yeah, nice to see you.
Would you like to meet some other time?
Yeah, you have this social something?
Yeah, I have social somethings. Or WhatsApp, do you have?
Yeah,
We can do WhatsApp.
I tell you my number.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like this?
yeah, exactly.
We'll put your number. All right, I wish you a wonderful, peaceful day,
You too.
and we'll see you soon.
See you around.
All right, bye.
Ciao.
Do you speak English?
Yeah.
Do you have a YouTube channel by any chance?
Do I have a what?
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
We recognize you from the...
Yeah, you're supposed to wait until I'm finished picking up the girl, guys. Come on. Hello, gents. Hope you enjoyed today's infield video. Now, if you'd like to learn how to do this yourself, that is, to be able to bowl up to ladies in everyday locations, out in the streets, in a cafe, in a park, wherever it is that you are seeing the women that you're interested in, and have a good shot at getting them on a date, then you should consider joining me for my upcoming workshop in Budapest, Hungary, which will be from the 14th until the 20th of August. Myself, Gareth Jones, and a special guest coaches will be taking a small group of gentlemen around the bustling streets of Budapest and teaching you the fine art and science of natural style day game. How to approach, how to have good conversations, how to flirt, how to qualify, how to manage your state and any anxieties that you might be feeling, any internal blockages that have so far prevented you from going for what you want. We have the tools and the expertise to get this thing sorted once and for all. So if you'd like to join me, spots are limited and selling fast, so you should just click the link in the description, get on a free call with my team, have a chat about your situation, and I hope to see you in the first day of the workshop coming up in August in Budapest. And if not, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Hi.